Have you heard about Chamoli district?
Chamoli, yeah, I have heard about Chamoli, but I didn't visit there.
Okay. The Badrinath temple is there in Chamoli district itself.
Oh, oh,
So I'm from Chamoli basically. So I did my schooling from Chamoli, and after completing my schooling, I came here to complete my graduation here in Dehradun because there are no good colleges. Because I also belong from a rural area.
oh, oh.
Yeah. So basically to get some exposure, to just interact with new people, how people live in cities, just to get exposure, just to get something here. So that's why I just came here.
Okay, so Sachin, what do you think about a perfect government job or perfect private job?
Basically, it depends on the ideology of person. Yeah.
Ideology, okay.
Like government job is something that you need not to worry about. If you get a job, then after you need not to worry. You're
Yes,
free, like something you're like a free. You'll get your salary itself.
right.
100% you'll get your salary.
Actually,
But in
I
corporate
think
and
if you go government sector, so definitely your salary will be means set only one time, not no any increment over there.
increment.
Yes, yes.
That's the thing.
And
It's only depend on promotions.
promotions, yeah, no doubt at
Yeah.
all.
And if you go in corporate job, so your skill will matter there. If
Yes,
you have a
skill.
skill,
Yes, yes.
then you'll
If you have lot of
then you'll
talent,
get someone. Yeah, that's
so
why.
there's no issue with your
Like,
salary. Okay.
yeah, some people get 1.2 CR package in Microsoft, in Google. So there are also people
means,
like us, yeah.
yeah, means many.
It totally depends on your skill.
Right. Means if I talk
But
about
in government jobs, you cannot buy a BMW, you cannot buy a Mercedes, even if you are an IAS and officer.
How
if you
much-
are a Modi itself.
means how much government can give you 1 lakh, that is enough, not more than 1 lakh rupees.
Yeah, it's only 1.5 lakh is the salary of an IAS officer. Yeah.
IAS
So what he
officer.
will do there of that
Right.
1.5 lakh? Because in a month he almost gets 4 to 5 lakh. Like especially if we talk about an IAS, 1.5 lakh is his salary.
Salary?
And at least
Absolutely.
yeah, 1.5 lakh is his salary, and around 50 to 60,000 his rent goes off his bungalow because he get a fully furnished bungalow.
Right.
Yeah, the government pays that bungalow job, and his food is free, his mobile recharge is free, his vehicle is free, his petrol is so free. Government pays everything of it. But then his salary just comes around 3.5 to 4 lakh around in a month.
Right. No doubt.
Yeah, so because if you are in a corporate, so you'll have to pay your rent yourself. You'll have to pay your bills yourself.
Right.
But being in some designation post in government, so the government will pay for you.
Right. I agree with you.
As I want to join Indian Armed Forces, so I'm keen to join that. Thanks.
Okay.
So because I cannot sit whole day in front of computer 6 to 7, 9 to 10 hours in a day, just sitting on a chair. Just my boss is screaming on my head. He's putting files and files. So I cannot do that work. That's why I have chosen myself. And then I have chosen the profession as my Indian Armed Forces.
Right. Also, you can join a business. Okay, if you have lots of money and you can build with your business,
definitely.
right?
Definitely. You can. Everybody wants money.
Yeah. Actually, everything is depend on money.
Because if government will not pay salary to the armed forces personnel, no one will go there. Yeah, it's the truth.
Right.
Yeah, everybody wants salary.
Yeah.
So that's the thing which goes with it.
How is weather there?
It's raining, bro. It's raining. It just started raining a few minutes before.
Same here. Actually, it is a rain today. Since morning, you can say, no doubt.
From past 3 to 4 days, it wasn't raining here. So today itself it rains.